As we promised, the whole year it's about New Year resolution, and on this occasion we're going to talk about New Year resolution in order to enhance your fertility and what sort of diet will be good for you. So let's talk about male infertility. Male infertility usually is defined by low sperm quality, and that is usually looked at the parameters of the sperm number. If you have sperm number of less than 15 million per mils, and 40% of them only or less are active, and 4% of them actually have normal morphology of head, neck and tail, then you probably will have problems of infertility. So in order to enhance the sperm quality, there are several measures one can be taken, and that includes, number one, food. What sort of food will be good for your sperm count? Actually, it doesn't take a genius to work out. It's mainly fruit and vegetable and fish. Fruit contains a lot of antioxidants, and these include food that contains high in vitamin C and vitamin D. And if you are taking oranges, citrus, nuts and beans, these are particularly good for the sperm quality. And other food that will be good is fatty fish. Fatty fish contains omega-3, and all these are known to have tremendous enhancement in sperm quality, especially the number and also the morphology. In addition to that, other things that you need to take into account will be something like food that contains high folic acid, and all these are also believed in order to enhance spermatogenesis. And lastly, one really need to consider about dairy product, because in the past there's a lot of worries about dairy product might actually be counterproductive in the production of sperms and eggs. However, recent science shows that dairy product is actually very good in enhancing the sperm productions and also egg productions. So in addition to food, obviously there are other things. Number two is hydration. Drinking plenty of water in a range of 2 to 2.5 liters is very good for circulation. In addition to that, number three, lots of exercise. When you exercise, obviously you get the circulation going, and that will be very good for the sperm quality. Number four and number five, actually cut down on alcohol and also on cigarette smoking, because tobacco and cigarette smoking and alcohol will have a toxic impact on spermatogenesis and actually will not do you a favor in enhancing your fertility if you are planning for a child. For the following week, we're going to focus on another way of enhancing other parameters of sexual health, and that is on your libido. If you feel that this year or last year you have a little bit of dwindling libido and thinking about what sort of lifestyle and dietary improvement might enhance your libido, then you need to stay tuned for next week's Putting Dr. G on the Spot.